Hi viewers, today let us see the TinkerCAD program using PIR sensor. So here we just track this Arduino Uno board, and as usual here we can use one resistor. So till now we have used only one resistor. Here we can use two resistor. So when the PIR sensor is in on condition, that is if the movement of any people or any person is there, one LED will be glow, and there is no movement by any person, one LED will in off condition. So for that here we can use two LED. So one LED is connected with pin number 11. The anode of first LED is connected with pin number 11, and the cathode is connected with ground, and second resistor is connected with the ground, and we can track this another LED. So the anode terminal of second LED is connected with pin number 7, and we can use PIR sensor. So you just track it. So PIR sensor is available in this components area. We just place it here, and the signal here, PIR sensor consists of 3 pins. One pin is a signal pin, second pin is power, and the third pin is ground. The signal pin is connected with digital input of our Arduino board. So here I use pin number 3, and the second terminal is power, which is connected with 5 volt power supply pin, which is available in Arduino board, and ground pin is connected with ground of pin number. So that's all our connection of two LED and PIR sensor. Now let us move to coding area. So here select the block. From the block we select the text and give continue, and the default coding will be appeared here. So in this, here we are using two LED. So first you have to represent which kind of data type is taken here. So for LED, int data type can be declared. So for first LED, I just take LED 1, which is equal to pin number 11. That is LED 1 is connected with digital pin number 11. So here LED 1 is my variable for LED 1, and it is declared in integer, and the pin number is 7th. So next int LED 2, which is equal to pin number 7. That's all. And one more. So int here we are using PIR sensor. So for that I named as variable PIR, which is connected with pin number 3. So that's all about declaration, that is data type. So next we move to void setup area. In this pin mode, first LED 1 is output. Next again pin mode of LED 2 comma output. Next pin mode of PIR comma input. Here PIR act as a input component. Okay, so these are the 3 pin mode should be included in the void setup area. After that we go for condition int PIR state equal to high. No, here digital read of PIR. So this is a condition we have to give. So next, if PIR state equal high, in if we have to give the open curly brace, here state is equal to high, open curly brace, digital write of LED one comma high. Here we can give delay, digital write of LED 1 high, and after that digital write of LED 2 comma low. Else digital write of LED 1 low, digital write of LED 2 comma high. Now we have to give the delay. If we need, close curly brace and one more close curly brace. That's all about the program. Now you can save this program. PIR sensor. So now we can start simulation. Initializing is going on. Now this is PIR sensor. If it is moving, LED 1 goes to on condition. If the PIR sensor is in stable state, the LED 2 will be goes to on condition. So similarly, if there is any movement is there, the LED 1 will be glow. If it is in unmovement condition, LED 2 will be in on condition. So this is the concept for PIR sensor. So simply we can take one real-time example. If any one of the person stand in front of the door, automatically the door will be open. If there is no person stand in front of the door, automatically the door will be closed. Similarly for purchasing area, so in a dressing room, when the person goes inside the room, automatically the light will be on. Once the dressing room, from the dressing room the person come out from the room, automatically the light will be in off condition. So this is a example for PIR sensor. You can remember for this example and program easily. You can understand this concept, and which will help to upgrade your knowledge in next level. Thank you all.